Have you ever wondered how you can make money online? In the digital age, the internet offers countless ways to generate income, from freelancing to e-commerce. Among these, affiliate marketing stands out as a lucrative method that's gaining popularity. It's a simple concept. You promote a product or service and earn a commission each time there's a sale through your referral. Whether you're looking for a new business venture or a side hustle, affiliate marketing could be your ticket. Today, we will focus on how to start your journey with affiliate marketing. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Well, in the simplest of terms, affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. Think of it as a referral system. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to invest the time and effort to create a product to sell. Instead, you can earn by simply linking to a product that you feel is worth endorsing. The benefits of affiliate marketing are manifold. It offers the potential for passive income if you have a blog or website that runs round the clock. It also gives you the flexibility to work from anywhere, anytime. You are not bound by the usual 9-to-5 grind, and you can choose to work in a way that fits your lifestyle best. Now that we understand what affiliate marketing is, let's dive into how to get started. Starting with affiliate marketing involves a few key steps. First, you have to choose a niche you're passionate about. It could be anything from food, fitness, or even fashion. The key is to pick something you love and know a lot about, so you can truly become an expert and a trusted source of information. Next, find an affiliate program that fits your chosen niche. There are many out there, so take time to research, compare commissions, and choose the one that best aligns with your interests and goals. Once you've chosen a program, the next step is to create a website or blog. This will be your platform to share valuable content and promote your affiliate products. Creating quality content is crucial. With it, you attract and engage your audience and build their trust, eventually leading them to purchase the products you recommend. Promoting your affiliate products is the final step. Use different strategies like SEO, social media marketing, and email marketing, and there you have it. Those are the steps to get you started on your affiliate marketing journey. Now, you're equipped with the knowledge to start your affiliate marketing journey. It's time to take that first step. Imagine the potential benefits waiting for you. A source of passive income, the freedom to work from anywhere, and the flexibility to set your own hours. These opportunities are just a click away. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a reliable way to build your financial future. Don't wait any longer. Start your affiliate marketing journey today and unlock your potential for online earnings.